Hello to you and welcome back to another video review section. And in this video, I'm going to be walking you through the Clickbank Profit site software, and I'm going to be showing you how you're going to sign up, the sign up processes, and how you can be able to create new sites for your products. All right, so stay with me, and by the end of this video, you should be familiar with how you can set up your account and how you can create multiple sites across across our platform and use them to sell your products and make lots of profits. Okay, so let's get started. As you can see, I'm on the landing page. I'm going to move up to the first page you see when you are to sign up. All right, so this is the first page you see where you are prompted to select a template. As you can see, we have a number of already made templates ready for you to use. All you have to do is to select any one of your choice, and then you can preview them first of all, and then you can make a choice of yours. All right, so I'm going to just preview the first one. I'm going to just click on if you hover on any of the templates, you'll see a button that shows up and says view templates, all right? Or you can see a button that says select templates down here. But I believe you would want to view the templates first of all. So I'm going to click on the view templates option right here. And it brings us to another tab where we can get to view the templates that we intend to use. As you can see, this is a pre-made template with some dummy tests that you can change. And as you can see, the images and everything on the site resonates with what the site name says there. All right, so right on the top here you can see we have the logo, and the second thing we have there is a drop down section where you can select other sites, the same options that you have on this page. You can see that we have all of them right here, so it makes it easier for you. You can click on any of them to see a preview as well. All right, so all the text and images you see on these sites and the login button you see on any of these sites, all of them are things you can edit. All right, you can change them when you log into your account. You can make changes to them and then let them suit exactly what you want to use them for. All right, so they are just made for you, or you can equally choose to use them the way they are already made for you. Okay, so as you can see, this is a weight loss product, and to use this site you can click on the button here if this site is okay for you, and then you want to use this site to you want to use this site for your products. All you need to do is to click on this button right here at the top right corner of your screen that says use these templates. All right, so before we click on that button, I want to show you this. You can see that we have multiple buttons here that allows you to view the responsiveness of this website. You can click on this button and watch how responsive this page is on any of the screens. All right, we have optimized this site to suit your business and give your customers and your prospective clients a maximum comfort while viewing the page. All right, so you can see everything is well customized and they get to see everything clearly. All right, and then submit their details and then receive what you have to offer them. Okay, so I'm going to click on the use this template option right there, and it brings me back to the previous page, and then I can go on with my sign up process. Now on this stage, what you have to do is to enter your site name, all right, and then an optional site URL. I'm going to give this, since it's a, I think that was a, what product was that? Okay, it was a weight loss product, so I'm going to give you something that has to do with weight loss. I'm going to say weight loss in, let's say, 2 weeks. I'm gonna give this a try. Okay, I'm gonna give it that. I'm gonna give it a title, a URL. Sorry, weight loss 2 weeks. Okay, and as you enter that title there, you can see that it shows up right here to show you more like a preview of what you're going to get on the other side when you're done with the sign up process. Okay, so when you're done with this, you have to click on the continue to the next step button right here, and under that you can see that we have a return to home and login button. You can use this if you want to go to any of the said places. All right, so we click on the continue to the next step, and you can see we have a bar there that shows us our progress. So that brings us to this site. If you have not signed up before, you'll be prompted to enter a username and a password. So all these prompts are coming up because I've previously signed up, right? So I'm going to enter a fresh username. I'm going to call this John Doe, no space in between, and I believe all the characters are supposed to be lowercase. So if you use any uppercase, I'm gonna do that, and let's see what it shows. It's supposed to be all lowercase. I'm gonna enter John Doe at gmail.com. Sorry, com. I'm gonna choose a password. Remember, the password has to be pretty long for security purposes. Password. Okay, so I don't have any password. I'm going to click on the create account. Let's see how that goes. And as you can see, we have a prompt there that says username can only be lowercase characters, like I said. So I'm going to change the J to a lowercase j. So let's move on. Click on create account. And then it brings us to the next page. Let's give it some time to load up. Now we are in our dashboard. Yeah, it's coming up. Okay, so as you can see, this brings us to our dashboard where we can now get to make some changes and create more sites if we want to. So right here, what you can see on the right top, the top left corner of your screen is the logo. Okay, now the next button there is the My Sites button. And when you hover on the button, you can see that it shows you two options right there. The first one being Easy CB Profits. These are two sites right here. Easy CB Profits. And the second one there is the website, website I just created, all right, which says weight loss in 2 weeks. All right, as soon as you hover on any of these, you get to see an option on the side that says, the first one there says dashboard, the second one says new post, the third one says manage comments, and the fourth one says visit site. Okay, the first option here, you can see that this is not the site we created. Okay, this is like an automated site that comes into your account whenever you sign up on this platform. So I want to tell you, you can just disregard that, and it doesn't make any difference. So just disregard that, and then you can just focus on the sites that you create, which includes this one right here. Okay, so presently you are on the dashboard of this particular website, so you don't need to click on that button because that is where we are right now. Okay, so I'm going to save my password. So the next option there is the name of the site we just created, which is what we can see there, and then right under it you can see a button that says visit the site. If you click on this, I'm going to open it on a new tab. It takes you to the site so you can see what it looks like. And then the next button there is the one that says new. On this button, you can choose to create a new post or a new page. All right. So right here under that, on the right hand section of the dashboard area, you can see that we have a couple of options right there. We have on the home button, we have the my sites and add new sites. You can choose to, if you click on this button that says my sites, it takes you to see all the available sites that you've created. I'm going to open that on a new tab as well. And then if you click on the add new sites, it takes you to a page where you can create a new site. All right, so I'm going to show you what the my sites option looks like. You can see we have the two sites just like it shows up right here. Okay, we have the two sites here, which is the auto site that we get when we sign up, and then we have the site that we created. Okay, you can equally create a new one by clicking on this button right here. So back to the dashboard, you can see the next option we have there is the account, or the account button. When you click on this button, it takes you to a page where you can view all your account details, your username, your password. You can change your password, you can add a profile picture for your account, and it shows up here, and some other details that has to do with yourself personally. The next option we have there is the post option. If you want to add a post to your site, you can select any of these options and make that happen. You can create a new category or a new tag. You can add medias. Okay, you want to add a new file that you want to provide to your users to use. You can more like a video and audio, a text or something. You can upload that right here. You can add a new page. All right, you can create a page of your choice to add to your site. Of course, this is what the site looks like. And if you want to change this site, if you want to make some changes, all you have to do is to click on the customize button or on the edit page button. All right, so when you click on the edit page button, it takes you to a place where you can edit the site and then make some changes as you want to. So I clicked on the edit page button, and then it is loading up. But while it is loading up, let us go back to the dashboard and see the rest of what we have there. So the next option there is the users button. Okay, you can see I'm going to choose this. Let's see the available users, which is going to be myself, of course. As you can see right there, that is John Doe. And then we have the email johndoe@gmail.com. You can equally choose to add existing users so that you can give someone else access to your platform. All right, or you can edit this particular user. So you can also view your profile from there. So we have an option of, we have a number of tools where you can delete your site, you can view the available tools, you can import data, you can export your available data. All right, you can export your site and then upload it on somewhere else. That's a technical something. If you know how to use that, you can equally do that if you want to. And we have the settings button, and then a page where you can view all the available training videos that we have made for you. All you have to do is to click on this button right here that says training, and then you see all the training videos that helps you know how to navigate the site better. All right, so as soon as you sign up, you're going to receive an email in your email inbox. All you need to do is to go to your email inbox, and then you get to go through the emails. As soon as you create an account, your first account, you receive an email from the platform. All right, so I'm going to walk you guys through the process where we can create a new site. Okay, so like I showed you, we have a site. This is the site that we created. Okay, this is the site that we have created previously. Remember, I clicked on the edit page button, and then it brought me to this place. Now you can click on this place to edit with easy CB builder. All right, you can click that, and when you're done editing it, you can then save it, and then it gets saved. All right. Okay, so I'm going to go back, and then let's see how we can create a new site. All right, so I'm going to click on the my sites option. Let me show you how you can create a new site. You click on this button right here that says add new. I'm going to show you that so we can see what I'm talking about. This button right here that says add new. Okay, so I'm going to click on that button right now, and it brings us to this page where we can now create a new site. Right here you can see that we have familiar pages. This page looks familiar here because this is the first page we met when we started the sign up process. Okay, on this page you can now select a template of your choice. Okay, you can equally preview if you want to. I'm going to click on this one, just a random one, and let's see what it looks like before we get to select it. And then this looks familiar because I've shown you guys how to navigate through this page. All right, so this is similar to what we had chosen before. I'm going to try to select another one, and then let's see what it looks like.